perfect. Oh my god, alright. I know y'all are bobbing your heads to this. Yo, what's good guys? Let's see if we can make a melody today. I've been struggling for the last hour. I've been very beat blocked, but I'm determined to get over this. So yeah, let's see what we can come up with. Alright, let's open a piano. Alright, let's start with some chords. And let's change that sound. Alright, let's see what we can come up with. Let's pick up the BPM. Alright, that's pretty catchy. Alright, this is catchy. Alright, let's EQ this. Alright, sounding good. Let's copy this to another layer. Alright, let's actually just add a pluck sound so we can come up with a melody. It's giving me an idea from this art. Alright, let's change that sound, but this is like a good start. Let's add a little bit of reverb to this. And a little bit of delay. Ping pong, turn the wet down. I know y'all are bobbing your heads to this. Let's add another layer. It's I got a whistle loaded into here. Now what we'll do is we'll make this 8 bars, so we'll just copy this shit over, copy this shit over. And we'll pitch this last little sine wave up. Add some magic switch. This is truly magic. This plugin is free and it's fucking amazing. Listen to this. It's like a chorus, a delay, all in one. You just click a button. Adds so much goddamn texture. Alright, let's add a little bit of reverb on this as well. I'm gonna save this before I lose it. This feature is amazing. So just change this to A minor, select this, put it in the title, save. Okay. Now I'm gonna copy these little plucks and put it in with like a drier sounding pluck. Actually, let's do this very reverb piano and just send it super wide. So with this, doesn't sound as like boring. Now I like these chords, so we're gonna add a piano. We're gonna add like 2 or 3 pianos to add this. So we'll add my go-to labs in. And we'll add another melody in. Let's see if we can come up with something. Copy this down. Alright, so this is... What we're going to do is just shift these up. We'll add some RC20 to this. RC20, turn the noise down, turn the wobble up, put the stereo on, turn the magnitude down. It's go-to for me on pianos. Now listen to this. to add a little bit of reverb on this. Perfect. Oh my god. All right. Alright, now let's close out of this. So what I like to do is, this is basically just the melody done. What I do when I send it out in my packs, you can check out my packs in the link description. I'll add little markers so you know exactly where the stems start and end. So I usually do something like this, where I'll add like everything at once, and I'll arrange it in a way so that you get a taste of what you can do with the melody. And then I just add the stems. Just like that. Alright, stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to do the drums right now, but I'll make that a second part so the videos are a little bit shorter. If you like this, make sure you hit the like. If you want me to do more of these, make sure you let me know. And if you like these lights, this ambience, let me know as well. Otherwise, I'll change the lights to something else. Alright, yeah, make sure you guys go hit that like and subscribe, and I'll post more of these videos. Alright, I'm PJ. I'm out. I'll see you in a bit. Peace.